Hello everyone and welcome. Today I would like to talk about validate IP address. I'll be using regular expression and divide and conquer technique. So let's take a closer look at them. Specifically, this question provides you a string, asks you to return either IPv4 or IPv6 or neither. And there are very strict rules about what is considered to be a valid IPv4 or IPv6 address. Here's the solution using regular expression. Let's go through the syntax here briefly. We have grouping marked by parentheses. We have the alternation marked by the vertical bar. We have the set of characters marked by the square brackets. We have the beginning of line marked by the caret symbol. And we have the end of line marked by this dollar sign. We have the repeated qualifier marked by these curly brackets. On the other hand, we may use a divide and conquer technique in a tree structure-like workflow. Specifically, we test IP string to see whether it contains three dots or not. If it does, we branch out to this part of the workflow. Otherwise, we test whether the IP string contains 7 colons or not. If it does, we branch out to this part of the workflow. Otherwise, we'll return neither. For illustration, I would like to present a hybrid, easy to understand version combining both the regular expression and the divide and conquer technique. Please feel free to pause the video to read the example here in some detail. With the background introduced, let's write the code. So first of all, we will import the regular expression library. And then we know that for the IPv4 chunk, we have the regular expression syntax. Has a caret symbol and the grouping and the end. So end of line and in between we have a single digit 0 to 9, and then we have the double digit 1 to 9, 0 to 9, and then we have the triple digit beginning from 1, and 0 to 9, 0 to 9 here, and then beginning at 2, 0 to 4, 0 to 9, and finally to 5, 0 to 5. And then for the IPv6 chunk, it will be beginning the 9, the caret symbol, and the end of 9 here. And then in between, we have 0 to 9, lowercase a to f, uppercase a to f, and this can repeat 1 to 4, and that's our IPv4 chunk. And now, if the query IP count of this dot equal to 3, and all match IPv4 chunk, and S for S in query IP split dot here, then we return IPv4, and we can do the same thing for the IPv6. So if have this colon equal to 7 counts, and IPv6 split by colon, return IPv6. Finally, we return neither. Okay, and that's our code for this question. Now let's test this code to see how it works. We submit and done. It passed the test. Very good. Finally, we can analyze the code for complexity. So since we use count, it has a time complexity of n. Since we use count, okay. And for space complexity, it will be 1. Okay, since we use a constant space syntax and variable here. And that's all for this video. I hope you find this video to be useful. Please feel free to subscribe for more videos if you are interested, and I hope to see you next time soon. Goodbye.